In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read messages without being seen in Microsoft Teams. If you want a little more privacy while checking your chats, Microsoft Teams includes a setting that can help. By turning off read receipts, you can read messages without automatically showing the sender that you've seen them. This is especially useful if you need time to think before replying, or if you simply want to review messages without feeling pressured to respond right away. To get started, open Microsoft Teams. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three-dot menu, which is where Teams keeps several extra options and account settings. Go ahead and click those three dots. This opens a drop-down menu with more controls. From that menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize how Teams works, including notifications, appearance, and chat behavior. After the Settings panel opens, look for the Chat section and click on it. The chats area contains options related to your messaging experience, so this is where you'll find the setting that controls whether other people can see if you've read their messages. Now find the read receipts option. When read receipts are turned on, people may be able to see when you've opened and viewed their messages. To stop that from happening, toggle read receipts off. Once that setting is disabled, Teams will no longer send that seen status in the same way, which gives you more privacy when reading incoming messages. Keep in mind that this setting is tied to read receipts, so if you turn it off for yourself, you may also lose the ability to see whether other people have read your messages. That's a good trade-off to be aware of before you leave the setting disabled. And that's it. You've now adjusted your Microsoft Teams chat settings so you can read messages more privately. If you ever want to switch the feature back on, just return to the same settings area, open chats again, and re-enable read receipts. This is a quick and simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how you manage communication throughout your day. It gives you a little more control over your time, your responses, and your visibility in chat.